Well, thanks for joining us for another segment of our camp cooking. Adrian, in the past we've done turkey, a lot of red meat. We're tackling fish. And when it comes to fish, there's many ways you can cook it. I don't think you can get more of a Canadian cooking recipe than like a breaded fish.
It's like classic, camp
Very,
classic.
very classic.
Exactly.
In stepping that up, we do have some northern pike caught through the ice. So this is like cold, you know, beautifully sweetened.
Best time
of year
pike,
for pike is cold water. The meat's really firm. What we're gonna do is take it off the skin, remove the Y bones, cube it up, and get into a very simple recipe here for breaded fish. It's just fantastic.
Some cream and some hot sauce. Beat it. Get yourself an egg and beat it.
All right, we'll take those out to the garage. We've got that oil rolling right now.
Let's do it.
And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set that pan down in there, then we can put the fish in, because normally if you put like a wet battered fish,
It can
in
stick
that,
right to it,
yeah,
right?
it's gonna stick right to it. You can probably rifle all these in.
Okay, so I'll bring these in. I'll cut up a lemon. Yep. And I'll see you in there.
I'll shut this down.
There's just that shore lunch smell in the air.
We just got back inside. One of the things I'm gonna do, I always like a tartar sauce with my
See,
fish.
I'm a lemon guy, so I'm gonna cut up some lemon wedges.
Simple tartar sauce here. I'm gonna take some mayo. Probably 2 good helpings of mayo. And about half as much relish. Just mix that all together. Let's do this, little dunk.
Yeah.
We'll see your northern pike and raise you one.
That's right. Is it any surprise though?
Wow. Breaded northern pike done in hot oil, a side of chips and baked beans. There's another camp cooking recipe. Fabulous.